Good morning, channel! I am up before 9 AM. Is that a flex? No. I am up early this morning, so we are off to see a wizard. Not just any wizard, we're off to see Dane at Lokisx Customs. We're sending the S14 down to paint and panel this morning. Now, we have to try and get this thing done in less than 16 days, essentially. Is that we then have the Glitter Gang Drift Matsuri down on the 1st of September, which is in the almighty South Australia. It's 21 hours from here, and I need to make sure that the car is at least going to drift that. I've never drifted this car, I've never street driven this car. This car has been in my possession for maybe 3 or 4 years now, and it's just been doing this. I've finally got around to it, financially and, you know, with everything else going on, so the goal is get this out as soon as possible as the drift car substitute for the R32 to do some track events, do more drifting, more driving, actually get out, have some fun, and yeah, keep up the seat time. So but this is just a stock SR20, it does have a Haltech, but I'm going to steal the Haltech and use it for the R32. So I've got to find a stock ECU for this. It's got a brand new T28, and I'm just getting some coilovers into it. So it's a good little base to start with and just to have some fun with. So yeah, the sooner we get it to the paint shop, the sooner we get it looking pretty, which we've got my 326 power wing here off my 180SX and a roof wing and a whole brand new JSI kit. So this is a CWS style kit, the DRFT kit is called. It's old school, but I really love this front bar. That front bar is what got me into Japanese cars and S14s and all of these to begin with. So we're gonna get this fixed, and the more I'm looking at this, the scarier it's becoming, because I think the whole underneath of this rear windscreen is potentially rusted out. So the sooner we can get it to Dane, the better. Oh, damn it, stuck that on, whoops. And we can get it all cleaned up and pretty, because I really do not like red. Red is like my least favorite, second least favorite color. My least favorite color being actually maroon, and then followed by green. But anyway, we'll get that down to Dane. Now these wheels are gay though. They're gonna be flat. Sorry, Dane, I don't have time to change them. So yeah, we're gonna load this up. So let's go get a trailer. Gotta get my essentials for the morning. Don't judge me, he's sick, okay? He's like one of my favorite characters. Not the series, just the character. Right, let's go. Oh, should I show you the really cool thing first? Yeah. Right, hold on. I wanna show you something else. Big thanks to Josh. He works at Toyota, and he scored me one of these. We have a brand new R154 for the R32. I have never had a brand new box in my life. Look, it's so tight. It's beautiful. It's probably empty too, so I'm not going to keep doing that. But yeah, brand new Toyota box. How sick is that? Super keen. Super keen. Good night, FD. Okay, now we can go. Good morning, cars. Hey, we have this too, by the way. So this is a friend of ours. It is his Series 2 R33. Very, very pretty color, as you can tell. But it needs quite a lot of work. So we have recently taken it on and are going to fix it up for him. So you might see this one on the channel in the coming weeks quite a bit. But yeah, Ebisu, I'm sorry, buddy. We'll get you out soon. And they're all Benz. Did I end up telling you guys what I called the S14? I ended up calling it Epion. What is an Epion? Epion is an enemy rival Gundam. Gotta load the 14 up. Let's get wheels on. Get the kit off. Pull everything out. So no floor mats left. Some of the interior is out. And we've put in the wings to give straight to Dane. I hate these trailers, hey, these ramps, look how thin they are. They're not even, I don't have a, okay, I've got an average size foot, but like, that's so thin, dodgy. I'm gonna give you guys a quick run through before we get out of here. Just unloaded the S14, taking it to Loco, and had a chat with Dane about what we're gonna do. So it's gonna be too hard to get the car done in 17 days. Like that's gonna be brutal. So we're not going to go for the QR event. We're going to go straight for the 1st of September, which is the South Australian Glitter Gang drift event. Try and get it done in time for that. and just aim as much as we can. The problem being, although the car is very, very tidy and we have a brand new J-side kit which fits quite nicely, new tails, all the other things, we still have to do mechanical, so I've got to check what is up with the brakes. But we could also have crappy old lines and air leaks and that kind of stuff. And one of the water lines on the intake side has split, so it is leaking quite a little amount of coolant. It's enough that obviously you have to replace it. It's not a great prognosis with the paint job. Honestly, whoever has done the paint job before, they've got moisture underneath between the primer and like the bog and stuff, and it has had a bad reaction with the bog. The bog is actually like really chalky and wet, so it may be a case of having to get the car all the way back to bare metal just to salvage it and to get it somewhat nice again. This, you guys have seen this in some of my other videos, but see the bubbles in the paint? It is on every flat surface of this car. All these little bubbles here. It looks like a horrible case of a 13-year-old with acne. There's the bog, it's all chalky. This one here had like a water puddle under it. You can see this one had a water puddle under it long enough that it obviously has gone bad. We're going to try and do our best and get it done as fast and as efficient, and we're going for an 80% good here. We're not going for 100%, we're not going for show car quality. We're going for drift car, and it will most likely be back here in a couple of months getting new panels painted or getting things replaced and that kind of stuff. So we're going to make it look pretty from 10 meters. That's the classic drift rule. Make a car look pretty from 10 meters. The interior is really nice though, which is again a real big shame. This is a very pretty car. And the color we're going with is a surprise. I'm not going to tell you yet. I'll show you. We'll do what we done with the 32. I'll show you the color when we mix it up. And if you are in the members only, you guys already know the color. If you guys sign up to the channel membership, you get a whole bunch more inside goss, footage, bonus things, and you get to know more than the average viewer and the average subscriber. So if that's something you want to know and you want to see more content, please do consider checking out the membership. You can, I think it's like $4. So I'm going to come back tomorrow morning and get as much done as I can myself. For the amount of work that needs to be done to it, there's a lot. It's quite a tight deadline. Even if we don't make the event on the 18th, which is in 17 days, we still are pushing it a lot to get it done by the 1st of all, because it's a full mystery car. This car has not ran in 8 years. Like driven on the road. This is the last time it was registered. So it's a bit of a barn find. But yeah, alright, we're gonna get out of Dane's hair and we have to get back because Ben is trying to sell an MX-5. And I hired the trailer until 3 and it's now 2 and we're over an hour away. Alright, during this madness, I do not know if I'm going to be able to film prepping and sanding the car as much as I have done in the past with the 32. Again, time is very, very limited with this, so it may be a speed job and you may see cuts and bits and pieces over the next week or 2 while the car is getting painted at Loco. But you'll see the before and after, and you'll see kind of a little bit of what has gone into it. So until then, I will see you guys in the next vlog.
I'm glad I'm not her. Hello, Texas.
But you don't paint things to this degree.
No. I would drift that mole right as it is.
Beep. Alright guys, I will catch you next time. Have fun.